Now let's talk about user management. From the Active Users tab, you can invite users to the enterprise account, type or paste in a list of users, and determine which teams they should be a member of. If you have day passes, you can choose between two license types. Full members will occupy a seat, and occasional members will consume day passes. License types are explained in the accompanying chart. The filter will help you manage users. For instance, you can find full members that have been inactive for the last 60 days. You can then remove these users to free up some full licenses using the options in the three dots. Another example is to find users with high day pass consumption. Choose the date range you'd like to see and sort the column. These users should be converted to full members so they don't use up all your day passes. Check the boxes of multiple users to make changes like these in bulk. In Miro, deactivating users allows you to revoke access without losing the user's content. These users can no longer log into the enterprise account, but can be reactivated at any time. From the Deactivated Users tab, you can delete users completely with the three dots or in bulk. Our last task is to assign some team admins. To do that, go to the Teams tab and select a team. You can then grant team admin to a user. Thank you so much for watching. Here are your action items for this lesson. Be sure to also introduce any team admins in Power Users to your CSM.